po si Pastor Christian Madonsa from Goodtree Church Tansa, and I am serving this ministry as a assistant pastor since 2010, and this is my 16th year as pastor in this church. I graduated a seminary actually in 2013 and was ordained in 2016, and since last year I joined BLTC. And since I started this BLTC, actually before I started this, iniisip ko, siguro alam ko na yung mga pag-aaralan dyan at hindi ko na kailangang mag-join dyan kasi tapos naman na ako ng seminary. But I still joined this BLTC and I found out that yes, yung mga tinuturo dito, marami doon alam ko na. But the good thing is, pinaalala ito sa akin at parang isang refreshment para sa akin. Pero I found out na marami pa pala akong hindi alam, especially during the time of our sharing through our other servants, our other pastors na kasama ko dito sa BLTC. Dahil nagdi-discuss kami about the lessons, marami rin akong natututunan. Hindi lang sa theological na aspeto ng pag-aaral, kung hindi higit sa lahat doon sa mga practical na mga bagay na dapat na i-apply sa church. Kaya nga every Saturday, personally I am very excited kasi this is our BLTC time. Kasi marami kong matututunan, alam ko, at the same time, it is also a time for us to have fellowship, sharing with other pastors and servants of God. Kaya I am encouraging you to join this BLTC and surely hindi kayo magsisisi. God bless.